Hello, today we will guide you through how to password protect Microsoft Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll set up email protection in Outlook on the web using add-ins. This approach lets you lock down sensitive messages so only intended recipients can read them. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the mail view so you can compose and manage messages. If you see multiple Microsoft 365 apps, choose Mail from the app switcher in the top left corner to focus on your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, select New Mail. Opening a new message brings up the Compose window, and that's where Outlook gives you access to apps and add-ins that can secure your email. At the top of the Compose window, look for the Apps icon. Click it to open the menu of tools available inside Outlook. From there, choose Get Add-ins. This opens the add-in store where you can browse trusted options that extend Outlook's capabilities, including security and encryption tools. In the add-in store, type Email Encryption into the search bar. This filters the catalog to options designed to protect messages and attachments. You'll see sample add-ons in the results. Select one to view its description, what it does, any permissions it needs, and whether it's supported by your organization. Take a moment to read reviews and confirm it fits your needs and policy requirements. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook will install the add-in and may ask you to confirm permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. Some add-ins include a short guided setup the first time you use them. Simply continue through those steps to finish. When installation completes, you'll return to your message with the add-in available in the toolbar. From here, most encryption add-ins place a button or menu in the Compose window. Use that control to apply protection before you send. Depending on the add-in, you may be able to set a password, restrict forwarding, or require recipients to verify their identity. If you set a password, choose something strong and share it with recipients through a different channel, such as a call or a secure chat, not in the same email. A few tips to finish. If you're in a work or school account, your admin may manage which add-ins are allowed. If an option is unavailable, check with your IT team. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test message to confirm the recipient experience. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to send protected emails directly from Outlook.